You can benefit from the great credit history of a family member or friend by being added as an authorized user to one or more of their credit cards. This is easy to do, and the person who adds you to their account has nothing to lose. This is one of the most effective ways to drastically increase your credit score in as little as 30 to 45 days. Nearly all credit card companies allow you to add an authorized user. When someone adds you as an authorized user to their credit card, the entire credit history for that card appears on your credit report as though it belongs to you and it's always been there. I've done this for several of my friends. When I added them to one or more of my credit cards as an authorized user, the years of my perfect payment history was added to their credit report within 30 to 45 days. The result was increasing their credit scores, sometimes between 50 and 100 points. Here's an important fact. There is zero risk to my credit report and score when I add friends to my credit card as an authorized user. Nothing from their credit report appears on my credit report. Also, as an authorized user, they don't have the ability to make purchases on that credit card. If you have a friend or a family member who adds you to one or more of their credit cards, there's no risk to them either. You're not getting a physical credit card unless they instruct the credit card company to provide you with one. The big benefit of being added as an authorized user and having all that great credit history being added to your credit report is now you may have significantly improved your credit, allowing you to get approved for your own credit card. Now, this applies if you have less than 3 credit cards. Here are the do's and don'ts when getting added as an authorized user. Do get added to a credit card that's at least 2 years old, has no negative credit history, and has a low balance compared to the credit limit, ideally under 20%. I'll go into more detail about the importance of balance versus credit limit in the video titled How to Use Credit Cards Like a Pro. Here are the don'ts. Don't get added to a card with a history of late payments or has a high balance compared to its limit. In other words, if that card is likely to be maxed out, you don't want that on your credit report. Remember, credit cards that are overextended and carry high balances are considered to be high risk, and they could do more damage to your credit score than good. Now, do authorized user accounts on your credit report count towards having a minimum of 3 credit cards? The answer is yes, but maximize the benefits you get from an authorized user account to go out and get your own credit cards.